Hey guys, this is Han. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have to do something that is way long overdue, and that is to clean my makeup brushes and makeup sponge. This is not as dirty because I clean this more regularly, but the makeup brushes way long overdue. So let me show you the ingredients that I use to clean the makeup brushes. So I have two pretty much household items that I use to clean the makeup brushes, and the first one is pretty much just dish soap, any sort of dish soap. This is my local grocery store's brand. And then the other one is oil. You can use canola oil, vegetable oil, anything that's inexpensive really. And then additional items I use that actually helps me with the cleaning, but at the same time very budget friendly, is this little tool right here. I think this is supposed to be meant as a dish soap or soap dish. Anyway, I found this at the Dollar Tree. This is just a plastic little stand soap dish soap, and it has little bumps, so it helps with the kind of like deeper scrubbing and cleaning of the makeup brushes. So this is my first item, great find. I also have a ramekin that I also bought from the Dollar Tree. It comes in a 4-pack, and I actually use this as my food ramekins when I eat and have like dipping sauce. And lastly is this makeup brush dry stand. So this I found, I think, one of the like Asian websites. So it also comes with these two plates. So you just take one of these, insert it into here, and then you just pop this right on it in the slit. There is the makeup stand. All right, so let's head on over to the bathroom and get this started. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. Thank you guys. Have a good night.